Welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to learn about two modifying tools. We are going to learn about the Move tool and the Copy tool. To begin with Move tool, you type Move and then you click Enter. Then it will ask you to select the object that you want to move. In our case, we want to move this rectangle. You select it. And then you right click on your mouse or you click enter. Then it will ask you to specify the base point. You select the base point, ensure your snap is on, and then select the exact point that you want to use as the base point to move your object. Then you click on that. You can move it randomly, or you can specify using absolute coordinates or relative coordinates. So let's use relative coordinates. We want to move it relative to from our base point. We want to move it, let's say we put at, we want to move it 10, 0. We want to move it 10 position on the x-axis and then 0 on the y-axis. So if you missed on the coordinates video, you can just go back and link it on the top here. You can just click on it and then you can just move and watch it. So you just click enter, then it will move to the right. If you want to copy, you just type copy, and then you click enter. Then it will ask you to select the object. You select the object, and then you right click or you click enter. Similarly, it will ask you to select the base points. You can click on the base point and then specify the position that you want to copy your object. You can also use the relative coordinates. You type at, let's say 10, 0 and enter. It will move 10 units to the right, or you can just copy by selecting the object, and then you click on copy, then selecting the base points, and then you copy on the direction or the position that you want to copy your object. So that's how we do copy and we move our object in AutoCAD. Thank you and see you in the next video.